Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the hidden gem of Marmaris, Turkey. Cook's Club Adakoy. This 5-star, adults-only resort with a twist is nestled in the heart of Marmaris National Park, offering a secluded getaway that's as refreshing as a cool breeze on a hot summer day. So grab your virtual passports and let's embark on this journey together. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Cook's Club Adakoy doesn't just offer a place to rest your head. It provides a sanctuary of style and comfort. The deluxe rooms are the stars of the show here, each one a little slice of bohemian paradise. Picture this. You wake up, stretch, and peer out your window to a view that could make even the grumpiest morning person smile. Will it be the shimmering pool, the vast expanse of the sea, or the lush green forest? It's like playing accommodation roulette, but you win every time. These rooms aren't just pretty faces, though. They come equipped with all the mod cons you'd expect from a 5-star resort. LED TVs for when you need a break from all that natural beauty, slippers for padding around in comfort because who wants cold feet on vacation, and a range of toiletries that'll make you wonder why you bothered packing your own. The overall vibe? Think chic beach house meets luxury treehouse, with a dash of "I could totally live here forever" thrown in for good measure. Now, let's talk about something close to all our hearts: food. The Cantina restaurant at Cook's Club Adakoy is not just a place to eat, it's a culinary adventure. Situated right on the seafront, because why settle for a sea view when you can practically dip your toes in it? This restaurant boasts 7 live cooking stations. It's like having your own personal chef, times 7. The focus here is on fresh, international cuisine. Imagine the aroma of freshly grilled seafood mingling with the salty sea air, the sizzle of vegetables hitting a hot pan, and the gentle clink of wine glasses as fellow diners toast to another perfect day in paradise. While we don't have the exact menu details, they like to keep us on our toes, we can safely assume that with 7 cooking stations, even the pickiest eater will find something to rave about. And let's be honest, everything tastes better when you're dining with a view of the Mediterranean, right? Now, let's dive into the pools and beaches, quite literally. Cook's Club Adakoy doesn't just have one beach, it has 3 private beaches. That's right, 3. It's like they couldn't decide which stretch of coastline was the most beautiful, so they just went ahead and claimed them all. These beaches aren't just for lounging, although there's plenty of that too. They're your playground for water sports. Fancy a bit of canoeing? Paddle away. More into sailing? Hoist those sails. And if you're looking for a workout that doesn't feel like work, try your hand at paddling. It's like the gym, but with better views and a higher chance of spotting dolphins. But wait, there's more. If saltwater isn't your thing, no judgment here, the resort also boasts a seasonal outdoor pool. And because one pool is never enough, there's also a jacuzzi. Imagine soaking in bubbling water, cocktail in hand, as you gaze out over the pine-forested landscape. It's like being in a nature documentary, but with better drinks and comfier seating. Now, let's talk activities. Because as much as we all love lounging by the pool or beach, and boy do we love it, sometimes you need a little more action. Cook's Club Adakoy has got you covered. First up, there's the fitness center. We don't have the exact details of the equipment available, but let's be honest, any workout feels easier when you're surrounded by stunning views. It's like Mother Nature is your personal trainer, cheering you on with every rep. But the real star of the show here is the spa. Imagine stepping into a world of tranquility, where the only decision you need to make is which treatment to indulge in first. Will it be a traditional Turkish hammam experience, where you'll be scrubbed and pampered until you're as smooth as a baby seal? Or perhaps a massage that will knead away every ounce of stress until you're as relaxed as a noodle in a pot of soup? Whatever you choose, you'll leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and wondering if it's possible to move into the spa permanently. And let's not forget the co-working room, because sometimes, even in paradise, duty calls. But hey, answering emails is a lot less painful when you can do it with a view of the Mediterranean, right? Now you might be wondering about kids. While Cook's Club Adakoy is primarily an adults-only resort, they do welcome families with older teens. So if you've got a couple of almost adults in tow, Fear not, they'll find plenty to keep them entertained. From water sports to lounging by the pool, they'll be living their best vacation life right alongside you. And who knows, they might even deign to hang out with you for a bit. Miracles do happen on vacation after all. Let's take a moment to explore the surrounding area, shall we? Because as amazing as Cook's Club Adakoy is, there's a whole world of adventure waiting just beyond its borders. First up, we've got Marmaris Marina. It's a bustling hub of activity where you can admire luxury yachts, indulge in some people watching, or hop on a boat tour to explore the stunning coastline. Who knows? You might even spot a celebrity or two, or at least someone who looks like they could be a celebrity from a distance. Next on our list is Marmaris Castle. This 16th century fortress offers a fascinating glimpse into the area's rich history. Plus, the views from the top are absolutely breathtaking. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram shots that'll make all your friends back home green with envy. Just remember to catch your breath before taking the photo. Those stairs are no joke. And for those days when you want to venture a little further afield, there's Accommodations Beach. This stunning stretch of coastline is known for its crystal clear waters and golden sands. It's the perfect spot for a day trip, offering a change of scenery and the chance to experience another slice of Turkish paradise. Now let's take a step back and look at the big picture. What makes Cook's Club Adakoy stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, there's its location. Nestled in the heart of Marmaris National Park, it offers a level of seclusion that's hard to find in many resorts. It's like having your own private slice of paradise, complete with 5-star amenities. Then there's the style. The resort embraces a bohemian-chic vibe that's both trendy and timeless. It's the kind of place where you can feel equally comfortable sipping a cocktail in a designer outfit or padding around in your comfiest beachwear. There's no judgment here, just good vibes and great views. The adults-only policy, with the exception of older teens, is another big plus. It ensures a peaceful, relaxed atmosphere that's perfect for couples, groups of friends, or anyone looking to escape the chaos of everyday life. No screaming toddlers here, just the gentle lapping of waves and the clink of ice in your glass. But perhaps the biggest selling point is the overall experience. Cook's Club Adakoy isn't just a place to stay, it's a lifestyle. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of laid-back luxury. It's the kind of place where time seems to slow down, where every moment feels a little bit magical, and where the biggest decision you'll have to make is whether to have your cocktail by the pool or on the beach. Now, let's talk about some of the standout experiences that guests have raved about. While we don't have specific anecdotes, it's easy to imagine the kind of moments that make a stay here special. Picture waking up to a sunrise over the sea, the sky painted in hues of pink and gold. Or imagine the thrill of trying water sports for the first time, cheered on by encouraging staff members. Think about the joy of discovering a hidden cove during a coastal walk, or the simple pleasure of a perfectly mixed cocktail enjoyed under a starry sky. It's these little moments that add up to create a truly memorable vacation. The kind of vacation where you return home feeling not just rested, but truly rejuvenated. The kind of vacation that has you planning your return trip before you've even unpacked your suitcase. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.